Now this illustration deals with supplementary overcurrent protection in accordance with 240.10. Now before we get too far into presenting this requirement, this illustration, the heating unit, if you review the top left-hand side, is 30 kW. The heating elements are 5 kW each, added together to give 30 kW. The supplementary protections for the motor is in accordance with 430.32b as in boy, as well as 240.10. Then notice the supplementary fuses in 424.22c as well as 240.10 are supplementary protection devices that protect the elements. Now notice 240.10, along with the definition in Article 100 of supplementary overcurrent protection, says those fuses that you see in the heating unit, along with the thermal protector that's at the motor, cannot be used as a branch circuit. Sizing rules and so forth is 424.3b, which says they're continuous, rated equipment, a heating unit. So 210.19a1a has the 125% rule. And 430.24 exception 2 deals with the motor. But supplementary protection is usually always the protection in the equipment. For example, a lighting fixture. I could replace a ballast, and if I should go to 410.130 ENG, that replacement ballast has to be provided with a disconnecting means, either a separable disconnect that comes with the ballast that you would use in line, or you would have to provide a disconnecting means over at the switch. And we know that 70B, Chapter 24, is going to refer us to Article 410 if we have lighting fixtures. So we know that supplementary protection is a downstream protective device that's in addition to the upstream branch circuit, and that's what this illustration is illustrating, figure 9-18. But be sure to get a good handle on this, that you review the definition of supplementary overcurrent protection in Article 100, Part 1, and then review your 240.10, and you would get a very good handle on what is required here. So in summary, those fuses that you see in the heating unit only protect those elements. The branch circuit is protected back upstream at the service equipment or sub-panel, wherever those conductors are receiving their power. Then you have a thermal overload that's in the motor that protects it. So that's what this figure 9-18 is illustrating when supplementary overcurrent protection is used.